Okay, so we are going to start by using our phone to scan the QR code on the paper that came with our machine. So here you can see you're just installing the app, which is found in your in the App Store. So it just takes a second to download. And once you do that, you are going to get several options of how you can log in. So decide which way you're going to log in. If you don't already have an account, you do want to create at least one of these accounts. So I already had Canvas Workspace, so that's the option that I am going with. And all you need to do then is put your ID and your password in there for whichever one of those accounts that you decide. You might actually have more than one of those types of accounts. For right now, I only had Canvas Workspace, so that's what I am using. Now, once you log in, it is also going to ask you for your password. So you'll obviously need to know your password as well. And then you are going to need to go through the process of agreeing to the terms of service. So make sure you go through all of this, toggle the buttons at the bottom that you need to or that you want to, and then you'll be able to click OK. Once you do that, it is going to ask you for an email address. So enter your connected email address and make sure that you verify that you are over 18. Now on the next screen, what it's going to do is it's actually going to ask you for a passcode, and that passcode is sent to the email that you just entered here. So you'll have to check your email to grab the passcode that's going to be asked for here. So put that PIN code in and then click verify. Once you click verify, this is going to be the final step to launching the app. So the app will now allow you to get into the, then the app will now allow you to see all of the features that you have. But if you want to connect the app to your Brother SE2000, for example, you need to sync the two. And so in order to do that, you first need to move over to your Brother SE2000 and make sure that its network is set up, and then you'll be able to sync the two together. So I have a separate video on that.